Pizza is a go-to in our home, and I'm always trying to find a way that I can get people who are looking for a carb-free or gluten-free diet to eat pizza. I mean, who doesn't love it, right? I'm putting my little Italian twist on things by melting up some mozzarella cheese and mascarpone. And for flour, I'm using almond flour, which is a really great wheat-free substitute. It's also really nutty and adds a nice texture to this dough. It comes together really easily. The glue for all of this, not only that cheese, but also an egg. I love some fresh herbs in here too. I'm using a combination of rosemary, basil, and fresh oregano. And just that smell, A little baking soda to make everything come together and rise up, just like I would a regular pizza dough. And last but never least, some garlic. And I love that flavor that it adds into the dough. It's really good. Garlic, herbs, and cheese. Now, does that sound like a tasty crust or what? And because it's a little sticky of a dough, I like to roll it out in between 2 pieces of parchment paper. This way, it doesn't stick to my hands. So I give it a little pat down, just to shape it a little. And look at how easy and clean that is. Just the right size for Gianfranco and I. And funny enough, we love the same toppings on our pizza, so we can share. But if not, these are great pizzas to make your own. I'm gonna par-bake it in the oven for just a little and then top it. Look at that golden crust. But guys, the garlic in this smells so good. I'm topping it with some pretty Italian flavor. I'm starting with mascarpone, which is essentially an Italian cream cheese. It's super mild in flavor and works with just about anything. Look at that. I'm leaving a nice space just on the edges because I really want that crust, just like a real pizza. I love a diced tomato. It adds that pop of color, tomato flavor, but it's not so sugary like cooked down tomatoes. Much more fresh. This is brunch, right? So I'm gonna add some Italian-style bacon with pancetta. And it's crispy and that nice salty bite. So I made that little area perfect for an egg. Nice little space there. And my tip for this is to make sure that I put the mozzarella not only on the edges, but also on the egg white. That's really gonna help it all cook properly. And it's gonna be good. This needs to finish off in the oven just until the cheese melts and it's bubbly and brown. Look at that golden, cheesy crust. Now, I know there's already a lot of cheese on this, but it's missing a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh my goodness. And for a little good color and pop of onion flavor, some chives. I would just cut this right down the middle for Gianfranco and I. Half. look at that pizza. A crispy, cheesy herb crust. Are you sold yet? This is so delicious. It is the perfect pizza. And who doesn't love pizza, right? This is the perfect one to try on your next pizza day.